Alright lads, welcome to episode 2 of How to Fix a Racetrack, the show where I give my opinions on how to improve circuits while trying to stay as faithful to the original as I can. For this video, I am going to be modifying the Bahrain International Circuit. Introduced to the world in 2004, it has played host to a decent variety of motorsport divisions. I have a few issues with the track myself, so I will be pointing them out and show what I would do if I had free reins on the design. Starting off like Kota last week, I've done a few changes to the apexes of the first few corners. So I've chopped away a bit the apex to allow greater commitment for drivers to go too wide, and I've pretty much done the exact same for turn 2. There's no real issue with turn 3, so I'm going to be keeping it the same. For the next corner, I've extended the curb outwards a bit. This is to try and stop drivers on the outside try cutting on drivers on the inside. For the S's just after, I've taken away inside bit of the apexes. This should allow for greater commitment from the drivers, and also give drivers the potential to take the corner too wide. I've got no issues with the next corner, so I've kept that the same. And for the corner after, I've shallowed up the entry, I've lengthened the inside apex, and I've straightened out the exit apex, which is bent towards the track for some reason. The long left-handed on the end of the straight stays the same, and the right-hander afterwards has the apex cut in a bit more to keep the track width the same size. The corner after now has a straight run into it instead of a slight curve, and the final two corners have been smoothed up ever so slightly. For the first alternate layout, I've made the apex longer and I've made the track width wider. For the alternate layout past turn 4, I've moved in the apex to make the section run smoother. And instead of there being a left-right chicane, there is now a lengthened right-left chicane, which transitions smoothly onto the new section of track. For the extended endurance layout, there is a smooth right-hand turn that goes straight into one of the original right-hand turns, a smoothened off left, and the original left-hander. And the layout coming out of the S's now heads off to the right instead of being straight. So, just like last time with Kota, there's not been that many drastic changes done to the main layout, but the secondary layouts have had fairly big changes done to them. The main goal of this series is to make the track safer and less instant prone, and also offer more overtaking chances for drivers. Also, to anyone still watching, I've been thinking about potential changes I could make to this series. The main reason why this has taken so long to come out is I'm not really the biggest fan of describing and talking about the things that I do. I'm thinking about recording the entire process. That way, I don't have to spend any extra time trying to make a voiceover for the video, and I think that should be easier for me. Also, be sure to like and subscribe to help support the channel, and turn on the bell so you can see my next upload. That's going to be all from me. Have a good one, lads.